In today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning. I'm going to start with my bedroom, do some laundry, and then I'm going to clean out my refrigerator. I am going to not do a voiceover this time. I'm just going to play some light music so you all enjoy some cleaning with me. right, y'all. So the fridge is clean. It did take me another day to clean it because remember I wanted to clean it yesterday, but I got it done. Okay, so that's the important thing. And so there are actually dishes in my sink that I really want to wash right now, but I have a list that I'm trying to stick to today. So I don't want to get distracted doing things that are not on my list, even though they need to be done, because that's when I also fail. I know that I fail when I have things that I want to do, but I get distracted by other things. So I'm not going to do the dishes. Got the bedroom clean, got the fridge clean, got a couple of other things to do on my list before I relax today. So I'm going to go ahead and get those done. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope that this video and the other videos that I post will help motivate you to get up and be more productive as well. If I can motivate just one person, then I've done everything that I've set out to do. So if you haven't already, please like the video. Please make sure that you comment. Let me know what you think. And if you're not already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.